Steak burger is $9.
Sir Richard Vanson.
A lot of people around the country.
I have a full-time salary job.
And I've always done. Sweet, then we can be friends.
We've been having fun living our lives.
All the windows.
The house for a month.
School buses.
Yeah. Because there's no room for me to sit up front.
Once those batteries are at full capacity, it knows to stop.
Sonny, are you home? Not quite sure yet if we would want to downsize
Quite this far.
12 o'clock p.m. every single day at the Orlando RV Resort. People line up to wait to check in. It's like that every day. It is a madhouse. We were watching TV this morning and we saw that there was a tiny house festival going on today in Orlando.
Tiny home.
Tiny home.
Because a home is
That's
whatever
right.
you make of it. So, not necessarily a house.
Okay. Thanks for clarifying that. Kind of excited to see what that's all about. They've got bus conversions, vans, all sorts of things. It'd be kind of neat to see the floor plans.
Because we, obviously have downsized to live in a motorhome.
And we've been thinking about downsizing, but I'm not quite sure about a whole behind tiny home. Although we did see somebody doing that. We were at the Thousand Trails Resort in Las Vegas.
Oh yeah, Las Vegas.
And they were parked there, and actually it was a really nice one. When I said actually, it was a really nice one. Unusual, because you don't see that.
Yeah.
Hardly at all. Keep your options open
Yeah.
and look, and you never know what you might find out.
That's right.
That guy had some energy. He's been to Starbucks a couple times this morning, I think. So this is where we're at today at Bill Frederick Park at Turkey Lake.
It's $5.
$5 parking, re-entry pass.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay.
You too. Bill Frederick
Park
at Turkey Lake. Oh my gosh, we're off to a great start. We park our car, we don't see any signs. We were in what's called Lot 3. We saw some people walking one way, so we thought we'd follow them. And then they were going to their cars, leaving.
Tiny home thing.
that way. Yeah.
That's way. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Everybody but us knows where it's at.
Apparently. It's like when you get off an elevator and you go
It
the wrong
was-
direction.
I didn't see any signage, did you?
Nope. Other than parking, that was it.
Parking, that was it. And you can't see the festival anywhere, so you have no idea which way to go.
And this is just a regular park where people come, have picnics, kids play on the little
And skip.
playgrounds and skip.
We're heading in the right direction now. We're sure of it. Probably walked a mile going away from the car and then coming back, and there's our car.
Or back to the car.
To our defense, there was no signage.
Signage would be key.
Just in case, if you ever come here, this might be in the same spot every year. Get on the trail and go right. There's your lake. So you're gonna keep to the right-hand side of the lake. And hopefully you'll get there, because there's no signs. Did we mention there's no signs? There's no signs.
Steak burger is $9.
Oh, sweet, then we can be friends. Joel. We're new, so we've only been on the road 3 weeks.
Generally, I work full-time. I have a full-time salary job. I've been with the same company.
Do you guys live here in Florida? Yes. Oh, Tampa. Cool. Well, thanks for letting me look. I love it. Oh, yeah, absolutely. So nice. Everything's built in. Yeah. You too.
Solar panels on the front here. He was saying he still works full-time for the same company.
Years, yeah.
I mean, my dad's a mechanic, but more of like a homegrown, like learned as he worked.
There's a nice storage underneath under the bed.
We have lots of footage and stuff, and we told ourselves that we'd be posting a video once a week, all this stuff, but we've been having fun living our lives, you know? It's exciting, but you just get so caught up in living in the moment. Just click an easy stick on. Yeah, and that's what holds even our 40-pound fridge in place. We've gone down Canadian back roads and nothing's ever come loose. Any big drawer that would move, we left.
we've barely made it around yet, and we're already finding out that a lot of people have found the same thing that we have, that they wanted to downsize.
Yeah.
We're not quite sure yet if we would want to downsize
Quite this far,
but leaving our options open. We're looking.
It's my wife, myself, and a cat we travel with. We travel in Sir Richard Vanson. That's the name of it.
Very nice.
So let's go see Sir Richard.
ProMaster 2500, 159 wheelbase. We are more, we like contemporary,
we do too.
European style.
Yeah.
IKEA is perfect for that.
Yes.
But the reason we did IKEA, we were in a time crunch for 3 weeks. We can do this, and it took 3 weeks to do this build because we put our house on the market and it sold in 3 days.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Cash offer, which was great, but we weren't even ready to leave. Like, we were partially built with folding tables,
Oh my god.
just a basic
Yeah.
bed that's like a wooden platform, like no great amenities whatsoever. So like we're just going around the country, like we take care of business. We've been to Las Vegas like that, been to Colorado, but finally went to Wisconsin, and my wife's brother has a tool shop that has almost every possible tool you could use. And then that time frame, we used IKEA cabinets because they're already pre-made. It was just easier to just slide them right in, and just aesthetically, I love it. It's just like, we have that look. This is our refrigerator right here. We have a Dometic.
Oh, nice.
Yep, this is also a partition. It has a freezer. We cannot get rid of ice cream.
Well, you should not.
You cannot. When people tell you can't, there's just a solution. You just have to find that out. This is basically built into like the frame around it.
Oh, nice.
So that has or stuff like that. Yep. And then this table will come out when we're working or eating. This comes out over here as like our desk or table. And that doesn't leave me out. My wife does sit here. She's the queen. This is a really cool thing. We just found this on Amazon, but it goes like that. And then you just put it right there, and then I sit on the other edge of it to slide my meals. Right now I'm looking at our batteries. We're at 100% right now on this gauge.
I think you're so cute. You keep looking at the batteries. They're still 100%.
I know. That's what I love it.
Funny out today.
Yeah, reassurance.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
It's happening, right? Because
Love that
it's too
reassurance.
good to be true that you realize that the sun is powering our refrigerator right now.
Yeah.
It's not going through the batteries.
Not going through the batteries
nothing.
or anything like that. We have a swivel seat, of course. That was the first thing that we put in.
Yeah.
And then we could see the whole canvas.
Yeah.
We have a 7-gallon water system, like with a water pump that has like a switch. The fresh tank is in the back, and then the other tank is.
Oh,
So
the gray.
getting ready to test that. We tested the first time, and I guess you have that experience where water goes all over the place.
You did a good job with this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Max Air fans, of course, because we travel with our cat. These are the ones that they can stay open in rain. It's great. I love it. This one takes the air out. This one does like both intake and out. Great when you're in the bed because you get nice airflow going through at night. We're 5'10". This is like I said, a space that's about 6 feet. So it's just, we bumped it out. Sorry, Juno.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we bumped it out over here and bumped it out over there. There's a light switch over here that controls our LED for this side. And then there's all down here that controls those over there.
Nice. Very nice.
Standard. Thank you. And then if you want to see the garage,
Take a look at the garage here. It's a toy hauler.
It is.
breaker box. So if you have a campground and something goes with the power, it stops here before going into your system.
Good for you.
And then this goes.
Oh, you got a surge protector there.
Surge protected. There are 2000 inverter charger, where like if you're plugged in and it's charging those batteries, once those batteries are at full capacity, it knows to stop doing no overcharge, and then it can send the power to all your other DC and your the batteries. Like it's 552 amp hours.
Oh, you got four.
I don't honestly know how I ended up with 4 batteries.
4 lithium ions.
4 lithium ions. Yes. This is Sir Richard Vanson.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate
pleasure.
it. Yeah, we'll check it out.
The Rolling Rogans, you can find us at rollingrogans.com. Pretty much all throughout social media, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Our cat has a TikTok channel.
Oh yeah.
We're trying to make her TikTok
Yeah,
famous.
What's the cat's name?
That's Juno right there.
Hi, Juno.
It's her 3rd day, so
Yeah,
this is all new to her.
Where are you taking us, honey? Full shower. Gotta love that.
We try to find a way. soul a peace of mind. But you just wanna drink your wine and grab a glass and let it go down.
Can't steer her away from that ice cream.
You got some gluten-free and some keto and vegan options.
Okay, maybe I'll try some.
You guys customize and all that, right?
Yeah, we build vans.
Along the street, how far you drifted away.
Honey, are you home?
I am. See, I'm right here.
I'm not sure if you're in another room. Furnished? Little table with a TV.
Design for the tiny rodeo. On all this. But yeah, I'll have my social media set up next week.
I'm liking all the windows.
Oh.
Yeah, all the windows.
So, but it was right in the house for a month, and then moved back in it. The neighbors were pretty friendly; they weren't going to be a problem. So, but there's always a loophole. Yeah. But you do want to know what permits are going to allow it. Because RVs fall into a lot of places that other things, like a lot of these places, wouldn't go. They wouldn't go for it.
No.
Oh, come on.
No. No, I can't. Cannot.
You can't do that?
No.
Cause we only want what's best.
Or those?
What's best for you.
That's what you envisioned?
Yeah.
No, they only take once. You'll learn.
Depending how big the dog is, you can make down there.
Small.
I've seen it done, like they take this and then they put the bed there. But
Cute.
Hello, come on in. You've learned. Yeah, I have roughly 30,000 I'm here to show people that you can do it yourself.
Wow.
Kitchen's gonna go there, and this one. Come on in.
That's size TV.
Thank you. Go vault that first and build the house.
done. Just hold her now, inside your son.
You'll like that shower.
Oh, that's really nice.
That's a place for a washer and a dryer.
I could easily do this. So these are the fold-up steps. I'll let you demonstrate it. Goes on the wall here. Attaches to the wall so you can get up to the loft. Very nice. So this one was around $65,000 for the kit. $65,000, somewhere in that area. But it's so busy in there, I don't want to go back in and ask again. 120-ish if they put it together. To me, it seems a little steep. Quite steep. But it was very good quality. We've seen quite a few, and that one was probably the better quality.
Yeah.
But not worth the money. You can just tell when you go into a place. The bar's open over there. Do a skoolie conversion? Not really?
I know why you want to.
Why?
Because there's no room for me to sit up front.
Oh. Let's get a skoolie. Are you insinuating back there that you are a backseat driver?
Yes. I admit it.
Do we have that on record? My sweets, but she's a good backseat driver, I might add. Very good. A little too good.
Yes. I guess to my point, you know, when I was talking about going to Washington, D.C., the really ironic thing to me was that it's like so many people within the higher-ups are trying to solve these problems. Might have thought about tiny homes like 3 years ago and just like completely discounted it. So it's not even in their radar, right? It's a whole lot of people around the country coming up with the same idea about how to reduce the cost.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click that little bell, and hit that thumbs up. See you next week.
Call it a day.